Hey, welcome back. Session 14, part B. How's everybody doing today? Getting down to the nitty gritty, final little parts and pieces. As always, make sure you do your attendance. Let's see if we get a new question this time. What is the problem with what is the problem with stretched images in design? Oh boy, did you hear it? I'm like sketched images in design are great. No, stretched. They distort the proportion and appear unprofessional. So we never distort, and that's going to come up today. Stretched images. So make sure you do your attendance. You know where to find video files, of course, because you're watching this. We went over the pattern lecture, and that's in part A. Mid-session project review. Please use this toward the final project here. It's going to be amazing. The more times you talk to me and be like, here's my poster, what should I do? Here's my poster, what should I do? The more it'll improve. And a lot of my improvements are going to be like 1 minute improvements. Like, hey, move this here, and show it to me again. And we get a lot done. I would like to do that more as students, but everybody's afraid to turn stuff in early. Textbook pattern. Let's check it out. Download that. Just kind of zip through it. Oh, pattern. We know about pattern, but let's look at their patterns. A little bit of everything. Repeating elements. We talked about repeating elements. Man, all the stuff you can do, with like 2 pill shapes just blows my mind. I love this. You can make a halftone of that. It's just amazing to see like what is available to you as a designer in your mind to be able to do that. Look at this. These like bungee cords. That's awesome. Like seeing all this makes me just want to do. Like I just want to do all this. Like this is so great. Look at this. This is from these. I don't know. Check it out. It's amazing. I kind of do love making patterns. I'm actually going to work on a project later today for another class, and I'm working on that. So the final for the poster. Look at the discussion board for comments about your poster. Make the changes. Don't forget all the following items need to appear in your poster: the music festival logo, a minimum of 3 pictures from the festival, a paragraph about the festival, 3 of the music festival headliners, and the musical festival dates. You will place your final poster in your presentation, but then there's a part 2. Place your poster in a real world environment. Well, guess what? I got that all set for you in such a rad way, and right now I'm going to teach you how to do it. So you're going to download this Adobe stock for the PSD, and you're just going to download that. I already have it downloaded, so it doesn't matter. So download that, have it in your downloads, know where it is on your computer. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our poster that we have. So this is the poster and where I was at, okay? Now here's what we're going to do. For this, we're going to export it. I'm going to go to File, Export, Export As. And I want it to be, so 1, know where you're exporting, depending on if you're on a PC or a Mac, it doesn't matter. Just know where you're exporting, right? You need to make sure that use artboards is selected right there. If you don't do this, it's not going to come out right. You must make sure that use artboards is selected. It may be over here. It may be down here, but look for use artboards and then just hit export. The other one is let's switch it to RGB. Color mode from CMYK to RGB. Make sure that's at 10. And then make sure the resolution is 150 or higher. We don't want screen. Let's do 150 or higher. And then we hit OK. And what that's going to do is export a JPEG to your desktop. It's going to be a little image. Oh, it depends on how you have your computer set up at home. But here is my little image, right? And I know I have that. Next up, I'm going to open up Photoshop. And I'm going to go to File. Well, you can either go Open. I'm so used to doing the old way. I got to get out of that. Because they make it this right here. I don't have to go to File, Open. I just get Open. And I'm going to go to Downloads. And here it is. And I'm going to hit Open. Now here is some magic. And I always say this. I got to learn how to do these. It's so magical. It's so great. It's so amazing. It's done in parts, but it's so cool. And I'm going to do this, and you just have to follow what I do, and you'll have it done. Okay. Step 1. Hit the triangle and open these up. All right? Now, I'm going to stretch these out so you can see. See, it says, place your design here, double click to edit. Place your design here, double click. Now, what we have to do, though, is not click here. You actually click right on this image. See where my finger is pointing? I'm going to double click. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up a new piece, all right? And it says, place your design here. So I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to find my image. And I'm going to hit Place. And I'm going to leave it as is. Do not stretch it to fit. Just leave it as is. And then I'm going to delete this background image. Yes. And that's just going to keep it clear. I am then going to close this and hit Save. Now wait for the magic. It placed it in there. I'm going to go to the next one down. I'm going to double click on the image. I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded. I'm going to find my image again, hit Place, double click so it places it. Take this piece, delete it. Yes. Going to go up to this X to close it, hit Save. And there it is. And it's fine. The white border, I understand. I think you can fix that. Like, I could fix it. And I'll show you. So then, I need to close that. So then, the third one, double click on the little image. Go to File, Place Embedded, find your image, place it, place, click on it, double click on it so that X goes away, delete that, yes, and then close it, save it, and wait for it, and there it goes. Now I think, and I'm going to try this. I'm going to double click, enter, select, and mask. Let's see this. No, I do not want this. Cancel. I wonder, I'm just trying to see if there's a way for me to get rid of that white. If I go here and I go to Edit, Fill with black. Okay. Well, it doesn't like it. Edit. I'm just trying stuff now. So it will not. I don't know much about these, and that's why. Disable layer mask, delete layer. Oh, maybe I do have to do something funky, which I'm not willing to try out right now. That's for another day and another time. So forget that second part, but I want you to place in that white edge is going to be just fine. I know it's going to be there. I am not worried about it. You keep it in there. And then you export this and you save it. And then you go to File, Export, Export As. And we do the same thing, JPEG. And then export to your desktop, you name it, export, and then you place that into your file. There it is. Cool, eh? Even got that wrinkle, it wrinkles it. So there you go. That's it. So to review, we're just finishing up. We have like 1 week left. Things are due on the final week after that. And let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Doesn't get any easier than this. We're going to do next week will be a video lecture on variety. So we'll do variety for the examples, the research, variety project, and then pamphlet. Everything's due on that final Thursday, and then the class is over. So I will meet with you. I will be online every step of the way to help you out wherever you need it. But I think for the final few, we're doing pretty good. And let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. All right. Take it easy. Thanks. Bye-bye.